If you've been wondering whether it's possible to use Claude AI without limits, the short answer is no. Claude does have usage limits on every account, including free Pro and Max plans. But the good news is, there are smart ways to make those limits last much longer, and that's exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. If this tutorial helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more AI tips and guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, it's important to understand that Claude AI does not offer unlimited usage. Anthropic applies limits to all accounts, which means even if you're on a paid plan, your usage will still reset periodically. The difference is that paid plans give you a much higher limit than the free version, so you can do a lot more before you run into restrictions. Now, if your goal is to stretch your usage as far as possible, the first tip is to start a new chat when you switch to a different topic. Claude works best when each conversation stays focused. If you keep jumping between unrelated tasks in the same chat, you use up more context than necessary. Starting a fresh chat helps keep things clean and efficient. Next, keep your prompts concise and avoid unnecessary back and forth. The more extra messages you send, the more of your usage gets consumed. Instead of asking several tiny questions one after another, try to combine your instructions into one clear prompt. That saves time, reduces repetition, and helps Claude give you a stronger answer faster. Another useful strategy is to upload all your relevant files at once instead of sending them in multiple messages. If you know Claude needs documents, screenshots, or reference files, gather them first and upload everything together. That way, you avoid wasting messages and you give the AI the full picture from the start. If you're working on an ongoing task, use projects. Projects are especially helpful because Claude can reuse cached context across related work. That means you don't have to keep re-explaining the same background every single time. For long-term tasks, like writing, planning, researching, or coding, projects can help you stay organized and make better use of your available limit. One more important tip is to avoid uploading the same documents repeatedly. If Claude has already seen a file, and you need to refer to it again, try to build on the existing conversation, or use a project instead of resending the same content over and over. Re-uploading duplicates can quickly eat into your usage without adding much value. So to recap, you cannot truly use Claude AI without limits, but you can make your access go much further by staying focused, keeping prompts efficient, uploading files wisely, using projects, and avoiding repeated uploads. These small habits can make a huge difference, especially if you use Claude often. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple AI tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.